Totally. All right, throw another question at me. This is good stuff.
Brilliant, thank you. This one's about pushing against joy and pushing against things that are good for me. An example would be exercise, and there's no better feeling that I get when I've done a proper workout, and yet I talk myself out of it by saying, I'll do it tomorrow, I can't be bothered today, I'll do it Monday. And once I'm in that routine, I'm there, but how do I stop myself from talking myself out of it?
Would you call it procrastination?
Procrastination and, yeah, being lazy.
Okay, so what pops up in the top of your head when I said, if you decided you were going to work out every day for the next 3 weeks, what's the worst thing that could happen?
There isn't a worst thing.
Okay. And does working out feel unsafe in any way?
Not unsafe, nah.
Okay. Does it feel like it's a waste of time in any way?
No, the opposite.
Okay. But I don't want to do it because
it takes effort.
It takes effort. Okay, so it's too much effort.
Yeah.
Now, is the gain worth the effort?
Totally, 100%, yeah.
Okay. And are you more, when you get up in the morning, are you more focused on the gain or are you more focused on the effort?
I suppose the effort, definitely, yeah.
Absolutely. So I've got 2 pieces of advice. One, before you even think about the gym, so do you go to the gym first thing in the morning?
Now I've actually got home gym things here. I've got a weights bench. I've got a cardio machine. Yeah.
So when do you typically use it? Do you typically do it same time every day when you do use it?
When I try, and try, that's a horrible word. When I do use it, it's evening just before I eat, so maybe about 4 o'clock.
Okay, here's what I would do. Okay, so earlier you mentioned Jase 3.0, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And does Jase 3.0 use that equipment most days?
Yeah.
How many days a week does Jase 3.0 use that equipment?
6 days a week.
Okay, and in order to be Jase 3.0, what do you have to do? Do you have to act like Jase 3.0?
I have to act, think, and become.
Absolutely. So, do you want to be Jase 3.0?
Yes, more than anything.
When you wake up tomorrow morning, can you choose today, I'm going to be Jase 3.0 to the best of my ability?
Yeah.
And now how does doing the working out feel now?
It feels natural.
Good.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't think about it until you do your morning practice first. So if you do a morning practice that gets you into alignment, do your practice, get into alignment, and then be like, I'm in alignment now. I'm Jase 3.0. What is Jase 3.0 going to do today? Oh, he's going to go work out? I'm going to go work out.
Yeah.
So choosing to be Jase 3.0.
I like that. I like that. What I have found as well, you mentioned the morning routine, is all my best workout days, I've done meditation beforehand, and the days I don't do it, I don't get into that elevated mood. And
Absolutely. Because when you feel good, so is working out and taking care of your health a high vibration or a low vibration activity?
Oh, very high vibration.
Right. Yeah. So when you're in alignment and in a high vibration, it's easier to match the activities that are high vibration.
Absolutely, yeah.
Right? A lot of people think that they need to eat the right foods to put them at the vibration they want to be at, but they don't realize that when you're in a high vibration, you're naturally going to crave healthier foods.
Yeah.
Right?
I've noticed as well, I tend to lose more weight the more positive I feel. And if I'm negative, I tend to hold on to the weight.
Absolutely. right?
And that's been a definite pattern in my life. So all of these questions are kind of tying in as well.
Absolutely, right? And the answer is simply get into alignment and then.
Mhm. Yeah. And then
Awesome.
become unstoppable. Yeah.
Awesome. Good. You already are unstoppable. Choose that you're unstoppable.
Yeah. Become my
Awesome.
3.0 unstoppable self.
You are tomorrow morning when you wake up, decide I am my 3.0.